transmitted at the request of the United States government. Do not go outside for any reason at this time. At 4:30 p.m. today, millions of strange creatures were reported in many major cities throughout the world. Said creatures have been given the name non-people. The non-people seem to be humans at first glance, but they are not what they seem. The non-people can run at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. They can lift around 300 pounds, and they can also jump up to 12 feet in the air. The non-people have glowing red eyes, are normally 8 feet tall, and are extremely hostile, and will kill any living thing they see. Many cities and communities have been completely demolished by the non-people. Around 2 billion people have died from this event. The military has been overrun, and President and most of his representatives are confirmed deceased. Nuclear sterilization will occur soon.